Let's list through your services, because obviously with gyms, you have a gyms, then you have a name. And then we obviously know there's a lot more
Yep.
services in that division than just the name. So just maybe for education for people watching, what services can you provide as an antennas and security franchisee?
So obviously we provide antennas, TV points, data points, wireless access points, NBN relocations, CCTV, access control, intercoms, alarm systems, TV wall mounting, hang your picture frames for you if you like. done a couple of those, hung some mirrors and some picture frames.
You'll be fixing up a lot of home job hanging on the TV on the wall. Do you fix up a lot of those?
Look, fixed up a couple. It's mainly with the antennas you find the home jobs,
Okay.
like especially with the older. So I live in Reservoir, obviously my area is South Morang, and there sometimes can be a bit of a amongst the older community in Reservoir. They tend to sort of try and sort their own antennas out, and makeshift poles and all sorts of weird stuff. I had a guy a couple of weeks ago, and he was Maltese, and he had a pole on top of a pole and then some wires down to the fence, and his neighbour was really good about it, but he's like, "Oh mate, please take all that down." So yeah, needless to say, he's very, very happy when it was all sorted.